Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious caramel pretzel rods. First, gather your ingredients like pretzel rods, soft caramels, and melting chocolate for dipping. You will also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Don't forget to think about fun toppings such as sprinkles or chopped nuts to add extra flair to your treats. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get that caramel ready. Unwrap your soft caramels and place them in a microwave-safe bowl with just 2 teaspoons of water. Heat them in the microwave for 30-second bursts, stirring well after each, until the caramel is perfectly smooth. Then, carefully dip each pretzel rod into the warm, gooey caramel, ensuring about 2/3 of the rod is coated. Let any excess caramel drip off before moving on. Once your caramel is set, it's time for the chocolate. Melt your 12 ounces of chocolate in a clean microwave-safe bowl, stirring until it's silky smooth. You can either dip the caramel-coated pretzels into the chocolate or use a spoon to drizzle it artfully over them. Work quickly to add your favorite toppings, like colorful sprinkles or crunchy nuts, while the chocolate is still wet, ensuring they stick perfectly. After decorating, gently place your beautiful caramel pretzel rods back onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. It's important to let them cool completely at room temperature, allowing both the caramel and chocolate to set firm. This usually takes about 30 minutes. Once fully set, store your delicious creations in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and tasty for up to 1 week, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.